Opposite operations as it refers to algebra. Every operation, adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, roots, and square roots, has an opposite. Addition and subtraction are opposite. If I add something to a number and then I subtract the very same value, I end up where I started from. That is what is known as opposites. So in this example, x minus 8 equals 10. I need to find the opposite of a minus 10. Sorry, a minus 8. Opposite of a minus 8 is a positive 8. These two will cancel out to give us 0, and I'm left with x isolated on the left-hand side. The rules of algebra suggest that I must keep the equation balanced, so whatever I do on the left side, I must do on the right side. Since I added 8 to this side to get rid of a minus 8, I must add 8 to this side. 10 plus 8 is 18, therefore my answer is x equals 18. Once again, I use opposites to solve with algebra. Multiplication is the opposite of division, and in this example, the question says 8 multiplied by x equals 80. The opposite of multiplication is division, so I will go 8 divided by 8, and the common misconception here is that this cancels out to give me 0. This is not the 0 model. However, up here, this is the 0 model because negative 8 plus 8 does give me 0. Down here, I just want 1x. I don't need to show the 1 in front of it, but that's what I'm looking for. So 8 divided by 8 does give me the 1x that I need, and because I divided 8 on the left-hand side, I must divide the right side by 8, and I get 80 divided by 8 equals 10. So x equals 10. Square and a square root. X squared equals 25. Once again, we want to isolate for x. This says x squared. We know from our previous years, to cancel a square, we can take the square root. So the question says x squared. So we take the square root of both sides. Once again, the equal sign must remain true, and therefore we must keep this equation balanced. To keep the equation balanced, whatever operation we perform on the left side, we must perform on the right side. Square root cancels a square, and we're left with x, and the square root of 25 is 5, so x is 5.